So here I have 3 packages from Wish. Let's go ahead and open them. So the first package has very little tiny seeds. And if I'm reading it right, it says Hoya orchid seeds. 300 in the pack. I bought these seeds because I wanted to plant them and see how they grew. Here's a screenshot of what I ordered. Let's go ahead and open up the second package. Now looking at this package, and it has no name on it on the package or on this package that I'm holding, I really have no idea what it is, and it doesn't match up to any of my online orders. So not knowing what it is, I ended up planting it into some dirt. It's been a couple weeks and nothing has grown, so I really don't know what type of seed that was. Let's go ahead and open up the third package. So here we have a cell phone ring holder. This item mounts on the back of your cell phone. It's a cute little unicorn. I'll put a link up above on the video of me mounting it onto the back of my cell phone cover. So let's just pop this open and take a look at it. I love the colors of the unicorn. It's like a thick plastic part where the unicorn is, and it has a metal ring. It has a swivel on it, so depending on how you want to hold it, you are able to adjust it on your cell phone once it's mounted. It also seems very sturdy. Here's a screenshot of the ring holder. It comes in 8 different styles. It has a sticky grip on the back. So that's what's in my 3 packages that came in the mail. My thoughts on the seeds, would I order them again? Probably not. With the ring holder for your cell phone, would I order that again? Yes, I would. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos, please check out my unboxing playlist or the product reviews.